Hello everybody. Today I will show how to make this object in Solidworks software. This is stylist joke. So at first I am taking the new file. Okay. Then I am selecting the MMGS. Then I am going to select the top plane and go to here and select the circle, and this circle radius will be 50 millimeter. Close. Then again top plane is selected, go to here and reference geometry is select, it will be 20 millimeter. Then go to here, escape the circle and control 7 is created. It will be 70 millimeters. Exit. The top plane is again selected, go to the reference geometry and it will be 40 millimeters. Okay. Then I'm going to open circle, draw a circle which will be 30 millimeter. Exit. Top plane is select again, go to the reference geometry and it will be 100 millimeter above. Then again go to the sketch and select the circle. This circle radius will be 35 millimeter. Exit it and go to the feature, select the loft command, one click, another click, another click and another click. Okay, done. Then go to the shell, click here, it will be 2.54 millimeter I mean thickness, 54 and shell outward. Then go to the fillet, select the full round, one click, another click, another click. Okay, done. Then go to here and select the fillet, constant is selected, it will be select and it will be it will be 5 millimeters. It's better. Okay, then done. Then go to select the metal and I am selecting the brush. Okay, click here. Okay, done. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel.